Hey guys, Ducky here. I'm going to do a brief review on this, the Kershaw Iridium. Now, just a quick rundown of the specifications, at least the ones that truly matter. We're looking at a 3.5-inch blade with D2 steel, anodized aluminum handle with a orange anodized aluminum backspacer. We are looking at a deep carry pocket clip that is right side tip up or left side tip up, and a crossbar style lock like that you would see on pretty much almost any Benchmade on the market at this point. It is running on ball bearings, which gives you, if I can do it, a fairly smooth, simple action, with a weight of approximately 3.5 ounces, give or take. I don't know the exact one. We have a little bit of jimping on the spine here, just enough for you to know where your thumb goes, and to keep it largely planted where you want it. We are looking at more of a slicing style blade, just due to its overall thickness being a little less than what I'm typically used to, but it's a very nice slicey knife. As you can see, it's absolutely disgusting. I honestly don't even know what that is, and it's on both sides. But yeah, overall, for the price point of about $70-ish, depending on where you go, this is honestly a screaming deal. D2 steel gives you, it's pretty much middle of the pack in everything it does, and that's actually why I like it. It's a jack of all trades, master of none. Now we'll do some quick size comparisons. Your standard Bic lighter, your 91mm Swiss Army knife, so that kind of gives you an idea of, if you were to just drop it in your pocket, how it would fit. We'll do a quick thickness showing. So yeah, it's about a little bit thinner than a Bic lighter. Pretty neat. Now, competitive options. At that $70 price point, pretty much anything is a competitive option. One piece in my collection that is very comparable in terms of price and material is actually the Cold Steel Air Light. Similar weight, similar blade, or just overall properties. They're just very similar knives. Having one is having the other almost. In terms of design characteristics, I get some Benchmade 940 Osborne vibes. They're very subtle. It's mostly in the material choices. But I do like the color. How you have more flat, darker color, and then something a little more vibrant on the spine. It is rather nice on the eyes. Now, what would I give this knife as an overall rating? I'd say about 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only gripe I have with this is they had the opportunity to take more weight out of it, but they opted not to. We are looking at, I don't know how well that's going to pick up on camera, full steel liners for no reason. If they had to keep that steel all the way through the spine of the knife, there's no reason to have these gaping plateaus of steel. When I eventually take this apart for a deep clean, I will be taking a rotary tool to those, and I'm going to remove as much material as possible, which will probably take about, maybe at most, half an ounce off the weight, putting it right on the money with these two. And then I think it would be one of, if not the closest to perfect pocket knives on the market. My gold standard is obviously the Benchmade 940. I try to stay around that in overall performance, and this Kershaw Iridium does pretty well at it. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.